Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you Relatio app review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So Relatio here has grown into a highly talked about self-help and relationship coaching platform, specifically engineered to help people handle romantic crisis, understand their partner's emotional cycles, or heal and rebuild their confidence after a tough breakup. Now, in this case, according to the website and some descriptions here with their app, well, in this case, the platform is designed around structured, actionable text and audio programs rather than traditional passive reading. Now, when you join, it maps out a personalized plan here based on your exact situation, whether you are trying to resolve daily friction in a current marriage or trying to navigate a no contact period with an ex. Now, a hallmark of the app is its unique four seasons framework, which guides men on how to align their support with their partner's natural emotional and hormonal phases. Now, the toolkit includes bite sized courses, daily reflection prompts, interactive mood tracking, and AI coaching chatbot that delivers scripted conversation templates for high stress moments. Now, and surprisingly comprehensive physical and mental integration modules. Now, including guided pelvic floor exercises to target performance anxiety hand in hand. Now, when you dive into the active user base here and their feedback on platforms like, let's just say, Google Play Store or even the App Store here, well, in this case, the pros focus heavily on immediate mental relief and self-discovery, and thousands of users give the app high ratings for delivering sense of clarity and structured right when they feel entirely lost or down. Now, the viewers here coming out of long-term relationships frequently share on the App Store that the deliberate daily routine here helped them transition away from toxic habits and directly restore their personal confidence and optimism here. Now, users consistently commend that the customer service team, noting that the representatives are incredibly fast, polite, and helpful when resolving account inquiries or parsing billing updates here. Though on the downside here, no app is going to be perfect. Now, there are going to be some downsides and some cons here that you may want to know. Now, the first things first, reviews about this one is that the educational content can occasionally feel a bit text heavy and basic for anyone who has already gone through formal therapy or done significant personal relationship research. Now, some users here note that while the daily missions provide excellent structure for beginners, the AI scripted text responses can sometimes feel slightly canned or template like if used word for word. Now, additionally, a few recent comments on the App Store here even mentions encountering technical glitches with audio modules loading incorrectly, and some reviewers express frustration over glitches in the initial trial promotion pricing. If they forget to manage their auto renewals in their account settings. Now, ultimately, if you are looking for an intuitive, highly organized daily roadmap to improve your communication skills, and just understand partner dynamics, or build back your self worth after a split, the overwhelming consensus is that the relatio acts as a generally the therapeutic and high value guide. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.